Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a text superscript in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your PowerPoint presentation. Then we go to the home menu, select the new slide drop down menu and create a blank slide. Then we go to the insert menu, select the text box, then draw a text box. Then write your text. Then select the text and go to the home menu. Then increase the font size. Now I am make the all text lowercase. Now I am select the 2 and open the font option. Then we can see here many options. Now I am check mark on the superscript and click OK. Now we can see we make a text superscript easily. Now I am select another text and make this superscript. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.